I wanted to make this short video for anyone who is having a little bit of problem when they found their answer converting it to minutes and seconds because you have a fraction. So let's look at this one together. So it says, the marching band practiced for 3 2/10 hours each practice. They practiced 4 times this week. How many hours did they practice? So we know that they practiced 4 times, and each time they did 3 2/10 hours. So I'm going to do 4 times 3 2/10. So what I want you to do right now, pause this and solve it. Okay, so you first did 4 times 3, which is 12, and then you did 4 times 2/10, which is 8/10. And what's really nice about this problem that I just did is this is less than a whole. So our answer is done. Our answer is 12 8/10 of an hour. So they practice for over 12 hours. 12 hours plus 8/10 of an hour more. So just under 13 hours. We have to convert this to minutes. So first do your whole. So first we know there are 60 minutes in an hour. So first we do 12 times 60. And that's going to give me the amount of whole hours. So pause this and solve that now. So when you did it 12 times 60, you should have gotten 720. But remember, our answer is not 720 minutes because that's how many minutes are in 12 hours. We now have to see how many minutes are in 8/10 of an hour. That's like saying if we have 60 minutes and we broke it up into groups of 10, 60 divided by 10. And that's nice and easy because I know 10 times 6 is 60. So that means every 1/10 of an hour is 6 minutes. So 2/10 of an hour would be how many minutes? 12 minutes. Okay, I'm going to come down. Ready? 3/10 of an hour would be another 6. 12 plus 6 is 18. Okay, we have to get all the way up to 8/10. 4/10 of an hour would be another 6. 24 minutes. 5/10 of an hour, which is also half an hour, and 24 plus 6 is 30 minutes. Half an hour does equal 30 minutes. 6/10 of an hour is another 6 minutes, so 36 minutes. 7/10 of an hour is another 6 minutes, so 42 minutes. And last but not least, our 8/10 of an hour is another 6, that's 48 minutes. So we already have 720 minutes. Now we have to add that 8/10 of an hour, which we said was 48 minutes. So we need to do 720 plus 48, which equals 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. 768 minutes. Now, look what I did. See how I like to break it down? First, I divided 60 divided by 10, which I got 6. So every 1/10 of an hour is 6 minutes. 2/10. I added 6 each time. Now we have to convert 768 minutes into seconds, which isn't bad because I would do 768 times 60 because there are 60 seconds in a minute. Please solve that. So I did the work here. You may have done it a similar or different way. I got 46,080. 46,080 seconds. I think this is the hardest. Remember, first convert your whole number, this number times 60 because there's 60 minutes in an hour. Then you have to figure out how many minutes is each 10th of an hour or each 5th of an hour or each 3rd of an hour. Okay, that's what you're going to do. Try it, and if you still have questions, comment or email me and we can work together. You'll do great.